Vaporization and condensation are the two main phase changes that drive simple distillation. During vaporization, liquid molecules gain enough energy to break free and become gas, while condensation happens when these gas molecules lose energy and return to liquid form. This is exactly like what happens when you take a hot shower. The hot water vaporizes and creates steam, that's vaporization. Then that steam hits your cold bathroom mirror and turns back into tiny water droplets, that's condensation. In our distillation setup, we're basically running a controlled version of your steamy bathroom. I like to tell my students that the molecules are just playing a game of hot potato. When they get too hot, they jump up as vapor, but then they hit our cold condenser and it's like jumping into a pool. They cool right down and become liquid again. If you're looking for exercises to test your knowledge, there is a link in the description for you. Thanks for sticking around till the end. If you enjoyed the video so far and want to see more content like this, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching.